Get ready for dictation. One, two, three, start. A senior citizen, including parent who is unable to maintain himself from his own earning or out of the property owned by him, is entitled to get relief under this act. Children, grandchildren are under obligation to maintain his or her parent, either father, mother, or both. Likewise, relative of a senior citizen is also bound to look after the senior citizen. If such children or relative is not maintaining his parents or senior citizen respectively, then the parents senior citizen can seek the assistance of tribunal constituted under this act to enforce the remedy of maintenance. Such parents, senior citizen, can file an application before the tribunal claiming maintenance and other reliefs from their children, relatives as the case may be. Such application for maintenance can be filed by the senior citizen or a parent himself, or if such person is incapable, then by any other person or any registered organization authorized by him. The tribunal can also suo motu take cognizance of the case. After receiving the application, the tribunal may issue notice to the respondent, children, relative, and provide them time to furnish their reply. Such application for maintenance should be disposed of within 90 days from the date of service of notice of application to the respondent. However, the tribunal can extend time for a maximum period of 30 days in exceptional circumstances after recording reason. Exceptional circumstances after recording reason, the tribunal is having power to allow interim maintenance pending disposal of the case, even though the application can be filed against any of children relative as the case may be. Such respondent children relative can implead other person who are liable to pay maintenance. If such children relative who are directed to pay maintenance fail to comply with the order of tribunal without sufficient cause, the tribunal may issue warrant for levying the due amount from them in the manner levying fines and can also sentence the erring respondent to imprisonment that may extend to 1 month or until payment made, whichever is earlier. The tribunal will not issue warrant to execute the order of maintenance if such petition for execution is filed after a period of 3 months from the date on which the maintenance is due. The application under this act can be filed before the tribunal in any district where the applicant resides or last resided or where children or relative resides. The evidence of proceedings shall be taken in the presence of children relative against whom relief is sought, and if such respondent is wilfully avoiding service of summons or neglecting to attend the tribunal, the tribunal may proceed and determine the case ex parte. If the tribunal is satisfied that such children relative against whom such application for maintenance is pending neglect or refuses to maintain, the parent, senior citizen, as the case may be, may order such children relative to pay monthly allowance to such applicant. The maximum amount of maintenance that can be allowed by the tribunal is rupees 10,000 per month. The tribunal has power to alter, modify, or cancel the order in appropriate circumstances. The tribunal has also power to levy interest on the maintenance amount. This shall be not less than 5% and greater than 18%. Agreed by the order of tribunal, senior citizen parent can file appeal before appellate tribunal within period of 60 days, and if the appellate tribunal is satisfied that there occurred some delay in filing appeal due to sufficient cause, the appeal can be entertained.